Hello folks, today I'm going to make some videos and try to help you out with some of this stuff in anatomy. So if you look at this picture, up here you have your cranial cavity. So that's where your skull, your head, your brain, all of that is your cranial cavity. And then if you look right here, this of course is your vertebral cavity, where your spine's at, your spinal cord, your vertebrae. And then this is labeled dorsal cavity, which basically means everything on the back side. So your vertebral cavity and your cranial cavity together is going to be your dorsal cavity. And then opposite to that is up here is your ventral cavity, which includes your thoracic cavity here, which is up here at the top, which is basically your chest, your lungs, your, all of this stuff up here. Then you have down here, you have your abdominal cavity in this area, and then you have your pelvic cavity down here. And these two parts together, all of this is called your abdominopelvic cavity. So cranial cavity, thoracic cavity, abdominal cavity, pelvic cavity, abdominopelvic. The front is ventral or anterior. The back is dorsal or posterior. And of course you're going to have a couple more that we'll talk about in just a few minutes, like the pericardial and pleural cavity.